3.2 External Projects, Project 5, Sharing Your Work. This is sample number 3. The mixed media is paper and plastic straws and knitted machine, missing out every other needle and just placing in 2 contrasting panels. Now, as of yet, I haven't selected a colour palette. I just felt that I wanted to work in a monochrome colour, but I felt that the materials gave me this colour palette. Traditional materials, raw materials of wood, some of the threads like the garden twine are all very neutral. So as of yet, it was quite nice to work with the just the materials, but I do sense that they have began to determine a colour palette. But these samples have been more about exploring the experimentation of knitting and mixed media with the raised line of the paper. I've also been engaging with some research into fashion and textiles, looking through various designers. As of yet, I can't pinpoint the name of a designer because there is such an array of ideas. How knitted knitwear is explored. A majority of the work explores the body with shape, texture. Seamless knitting seems an investigation of an area to explore. So the options are all there for me to push the work more forward and refine and open up new areas of learning. In particular, I do follow on Instagram a design company called Number One Granary. Now, they explore texture, colour, mixed media, materials, all for fashion, and they do use the body as a platform with simple shapes and structures and then refine and develop them. So I have been enjoying researching these processes, and as you will see my videos of my sketchbook, which has been a core to the processes of the knitting and the mixed media, that I have put some of the research within the sketchbook. And I think at some point these kind of replicate where the work has been researched and so forth. Still sticking with the line of inquiry, the raised line of the paper. One thing that I have concluded with these samples is they are all very textural, tactile, very playful. But the pieces to handle appear and feel, even though they are robust with the knitting, they are quite fragile. And I think it kind of resonates to the idea that this is how dyslexia and creativity, especially the academic side of learning, can actually make myself and people that suffer with dyslexia feel quite insecure about their language, academic language and learning.